How to lock WhatsApp without installing any app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today's video I'll be showing you how to lock WhatsApp without installing any app or using a third-party application. In order to lock your WhatsApp without installing any app, first thing first, make sure your application is up to date and then check your internet connection, log in into your account. Once you're logged into your WhatsApp application, this is how it's gonna look like, or you'll be directed to the chat page. So basically what you can do is, the alternative is that in order to lock your WhatsApp application without installing any third-party application, is that you can set a fingerprint lock, or you can just enable two-factor authentication. For that, you'll need to click on the three-dot icon. Once done, click on the linked devices, go ahead and click on settings. After that, you'll need to scroll down a bit, go to privacy. Once you've done, after you click on the privacy button, scroll down a bit, go to fingerprint lock, which is right at the bottom. Here you'll need to toggle the switch and enable it. You'll need to confirm your fingerprint. After that, you can just select your time and you can just go back to your home screen, and as soon as you exit out of your WhatsApp, you need to see that you'll be asked to enable a fingerprint lock. Now that was one of the methods on how you can lock your WhatsApp. Apart from that, you can also enable two-factor authentication. For that, click on the three-dot icon. Once again, go to settings. After that, scroll down a bit, and here you need to go ahead and click on privacy, and here you need to go ahead and click on account. You need to click on two-step verification, so you need to turn on two-step verification. Type in the number or create a PIN, and then you've successfully enabled two-factor authentication. So without entering this code, nobody will be able to access your account, and that is basically how you can lock WhatsApp without installing any third-party application. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.